In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view traffic sources in Shopify on desktop. If you've ever wondered exactly where your store's visitors are coming from, whether it's direct visits, search engines, or paid campaigns, Shopify's analytics makes this clear and actionable. Start by signing into your Shopify admin on your desktop. From the left-hand menu, open Analytics, then select Reports. This is your central hub for pre-built insights, organized to help you understand how people find and engage with your store. At the top of the Reports page, look for the category filter. Choose Acquisition to focus on how visitors arrive with reports like Sessions by Traffic Type. This breaks down direct traffic, organic search, and paid sources so you can see the overall mix bringing people to your site. If you're evaluating marketing effectiveness, switch the category filter to Marketing. Here, you'll find reports such as Top Traffic Sources, which highlight which channels are driving the most sessions, orders, and conversions. Click the report you want to explore. Top Traffic Sources is a great place to start. Inside the report, you'll see a table with columns that may include traffic source, sessions, orders, and conversion rate, depending on the report selected. Traffic source identifies the channel, like direct, organic, paid, or referral. Sessions shows how many visits each source generated. Orders counts the number of purchases attributed to that source. Conversion rate is the percentage of sessions from that source that resulted in an order. Together, these metrics help you compare not just who brings traffic, but who brings buyers. As you review the table, rate it left to right. First, identify the source, then consider the volume of sessions, and finally evaluate how well those sessions convert into orders. A source with high sessions but a low conversion rate might need better landing pages or more targeted messaging. Conversely, a source with fewer sessions but a strong conversion rate could be an opportunity to scale. Within the report view, use the column headers to sort your data so you can quickly see top performers by sessions, orders, or conversion rate. If available, use any built-in filters to narrow the view to the channels you care about most. Keep an eye on any info icons or footnotes that explain how Shopify attributes traffic and conversions, especially if you're running ads with tracking parameters. That's it. By navigating to Analytics, filtering by acquisition or marketing, and opening the right report, you'll clearly see which sources are driving traffic and which are driving results.